Could a Supreme Court ruling about life sentences for minors affect juveniles in our state? Good evening and thanks for watching tonight. I'm Todd Blackington. The U.S. Supreme Court made a ruling that maybe felt close to home. The issue is whether or not it's constitutional for juveniles convicted of homicide to receive mandatory sentences of life without the possibility of parole. Phil Campbell's following this story for us. He joins us live in the Pocatello newsroom. So, Phil, what's this decision all about?
Well, Todd, in a 5-4 decision, the High Court ruled that it is unconstitutional for states to mandate sentences of life without parole for juveniles under the age of 18. There are roughly 80 convicted juveniles in our country that are serving sentences that the Supreme Court now deems as unconstitutional. The ruling falls in line with previous judgments in which the court has held that the death penalty for juveniles and life without parole for non-homicide crimes is unconstitutional under the 8th Amendment, which prohibits cruel and unusual punishment. The impact from the ruling is not expected to play a factor in a Bannock County homicide case in which investigators say a 12-year-old shot and killed his father earlier this year. The case is being handled in the juvenile court system, and the boy is facing a first-degree murder charge. Monday's decision was written by Justice Kagan, and in it, it said, mandatory life without parole for a juvenile precludes consideration for his chronological age and its hallmark features, among them immaturity and failure to appreciate risk and consequences. Now, it's estimated that over 2,500 people are serving sentences of life without parole for crimes they committed before they were 18. Todd, back to you.
All right, Phil Campbell reporting for us tonight. Phil, thank you very much. Now, you might be wondering if this ruling will have any effect on the sentences ruled out of the Cassie Jo Starr murder case. It will not, because Idaho does not have a law that mandates life sentences in prison for convicted murderers under the age of 18. That ruling, or that sentence rather, was imposed by the judge.